When I was really young, we moved from California to Guam, and being mixed race, there was nobody on Guam that looked like me or had hair like me. But I was like, there has to be someone that has this hair. I always just said to myself, if I couldn't find her, I would become her. Well, as a hairstylist, we're supposed to be well-versed in all hair textures in general, and that's something that falls flat in school. I learned how to do a relaxer and how to do a blowout, and that's all they teach you regarding texture. I want people to find their curl intuition, where you're gonna get familiar with your hair so that you can determine what it needs at the moments when you're on your own. I really want to see what is it about your curls that you love, and let's showcase that and help you see that every day.